Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see how to prepare most refreshing summer drink Mango Fruity at home without any added colors or flavoring agents or preservatives. Yes, you heard it right. We can prepare Mango Fruity fresh and juicy at home effortlessly in just 20 minutes. Let's see how to prepare this. Heat a saucepan, add 1 cup of roughly chopped raw mangoes, then add 1.5 cups of mango pieces. Next add 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, then add 1 cup of water. Now mix everything once. Simmer on low flame, close the lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the mango pieces soften. You can see in the video, the mango is well cooked. Now switch off the flame. Filter this using a strainer. Now this is the separated water. Do not throw this. After the cooked mangoes are cooled down completely, transfer them into the blender. Now close it with the lid and blend to a smooth paste. Now this is slightly thick paste, so add the strained water little enough to blend it once again. Now take a tall glass or pitcher, add the blended puree. I am using the leftover water to clean the jar and add this to the pitcher. Now add 2 cups of water to the pitcher. Mix everything once. Next, close the lid and place this in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. My son couldn't wait for it to chill. That's it. Our mango fruity is now ready. Fruity tastes best when served chilled. Serve it with more ice cubes if required. Once you prepare this at home, you will stop having the store-bought ones as it tastes exactly same as store-bought ones and can be prepared so easily without any preservatives. Kids will love this fresh and juicy fruity. Do try this at home and let us know how it turned out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!